¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué?
Yo, Steve, I'm a 5-year-old girl. I draw you for the first time. Hope you like it. I like it, young lady, but why are you drawing me with boogers in my fucking nose? I don't got boogers!
I can't get it. Because you're weak and I'm strong.
Sakadung kading padung ding.
Okay. Okay.
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading padung king
Hostia, ¿en dónde me metió yo?
Hola.
Hola, amiga.
¿Cómo estás?
No. ¿Ah? No. ¿Ah?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Brayden, go back in your bed.
Can you count to 1 million?
Daddy doesn't count, Daddy fucks.
Can you try counting to 1 million?
1 million? Daddy's got a better count. How many beers Daddy can drink before passing out?
Sakadung kading padung ding.
I'm your mom, and I think you're gonna be a girl. Go.
Hi, I'm your dad.
You the who? Girl, hush now. That's that girl baby daddy. The pappy? Girl, the pappy. Ooh. Bless her heart, bless her heart.
I got a question. Well, that's great. All right.
Why are you covered in blood? Michael?
Huh?
Michaels? Why are there two of you? Oh no. Michael, Jekyll, Reichel.
Okay, right, so things are normal right now apart from a unicorn smashing his head on my window! Sir, it's vintage! It's a vintage window! Don't stroke yourself! Oh my God, he's rock and roll!
Miss, I don't want to be the one to bust your bubble, but your screen is jumping, and what I'm doing, you're doing right now. Where are my 2 cats?
I'm not doing that.
The force, flexing, no ketchup, not just sauce, saucy, raw sauce. Yo, boom. The thing goes.
Oh mein Gott. Boah, hab ich mich erschrocken, ey.
Vamos a ver. ¡Ah! Ja, ja, solo eran dos. ¡No!
Toca boca.
Сегодня праздник. Сегодня сдохла твоя мать. Обоюдно? Да.
And deep breath in. And oh my god, I'm so sorry about that.
No, it's okay. It happens.
Deep breath in.
What?
Deep breath in.
I'd prefer
Deep
not.
breath in.
Please.
Deep breath in.
No, I'm good.
Deep breath in.
No, I'm.
Deep breath in.
Sakadung kading padung ding.
Okay, everyone, quiet. It's attendance time. Carrie.
Here.
Chris.
Here.
Karma. Karma.
Right here. Here's my introduction, chapter 1.
Shut the fuck up.
Damn it! I can't move my body! Switch!
Force, flexing, no catch up. Nah, just force. Saucy, raw sauce. Yo, boom. The thing does. And the...
I killed a patient on accident. I gave him the wrong thing. Barney, I'm like you now. You tell no one what happened today. Yeah, you better not say a thing, Barney. I forgot I had the gun.
Play with me. You're such a brat.
Tyson.
Ya ni kan sushi la to.